Trains are cool. And by that I mean, of course, all kinds of trains. The steam trains and electric trains and diesel trains. And then if you see the switches and the rails and all these signals and all these systems working together, I think is a fantastic piece of engineering. A very important part in all these train systems is of course also the stations. And stations are several times really magnificent buildings. And in these buildings, of course, we have the passengers. And I would like to believe that every passenger, every person in this magnificent building has a story, has a good reason to be there, has a destination. So what I would like to propose is that we go together to the local train station and see if we can talk to people, have a little chat with passengers, listen to their stories. Right, I had my dose. Let's go back to the workshop and make something. Somewhere in the beginning of the spring, when nature started to wake up after a way too long and too cold winter, the birds started to looking for a nice place to build a nest. And they found the birdhouses here on the fence in my garden. But of course, nature is nature. And while the little birds were building their nest, the birdhouses were attacked by some kind of wild animal. And I think, I don't know what animal, but I think the animal climbed the fence and the beast managed to rip off the roof of this birdhouse and demolished the whole nest. So the birds were gone. And also in the other one, same story.
Shut up, you male chicken.
And so my daughter and I, we decided to build 4 new birdhouses. But this time mounted on a pole. Impossible for the beast to climb up. So let's do this. c'est parfait, c'est pas mal. Du tout. J'ai pas eu bon le reste de la semaine. Sèche, mais ça fait nickel ça.
Ouais.
Fais un peu l'oiseau pour tester. Quoi?
Ta branche là. Ouais, je pense bien. Professionnel, on peut pas travailler.
Ah bah voilà. Et
Le chargeur est branché, c'est ça?
chaque. Regarde. Moi, je préfère exploser, comme ça on sent rien de tout. J'ai mis les deux. Tu vas tenir pas tomber. J'ai apporté deuxième rondelle pour ici maintenant.
Voilà. Sauvage.
Et maintenant?
Là.
Oh, ensemble et tout. Pour changer, on va essayer la brosse côté ici.
fonction.